Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello, my name is Caroline. I am mother to 1-year-old Ellis and wife to Sean, as I like to say. I like to film all sorts of content on my channel, ranging from motherhood stuff, food, which I'm doing quite a lot of at the minute for Veganuary, lifestyle bits, I guess, vlogs, Disney stuff whenever we can get back to Disney, and today I'm doing a Stitch Fix haul. So if that appeals to you, please hit that subscribe button. It means a lot to me. I really appreciate it. And if you like this kind of content, hit the thumbs up button, because why not? It's always fun to hit that button. But anyway, let's get into the video. This is it, this is the box. Basically, the idea behind Stitch Fix is it's a personal stylist will send you 5 pieces of clothing, I think it's 5. They send you 5 pieces of clothing in a box and they send them to you. It's a £10 fee for them to send you the items. And then you fill out this massive questionnaire online so they know your sizes, what you like, what you don't like, things you want to wear, things you don't want to wear. For example, for me, I'm currently not working at the minute, so I don't want anything to do with an office because I'm not going to an office anytime soon, so I don't need any new office clothes. So yeah, so you go through the items, you try them all on, which I will do for you here, and you send back what you don't want to keep for free, and you keep what you like. Obviously there is a fee for the items you keep, but you do get a discount if you keep all 5 items. So they've got a new feature on the Stitch Fix website. So once you've done the whole questionnaire and you've booked your delivery time, you can actually see what the personal stylist wants to send to you, and you can either say yes or no to any of the items. I have not done that today because I want to be a blind reaction, because I think that's more fun. My style at the minute is a bit all over the place. I think everyone who is in lockdown is the same, where you just want to wear comfortable clothes all day. I'm wearing literally like Sean's old jumper and some tracksuit bottoms today, and I pretty much have been living in comfies for the past 9 months. Whenever lockdown first happened in March last year. Ugh. But anyway, let's see what my personal stylist has given me today. It doesn't feel very heavy, so I don't think there's a coat or shoes in there, which is fine. Let's have a look, see? Before I dive in, I will leave my referral link down below in the description. If you wanted to try Stitch Fix, use my link below and that'll give you your first box free. So you get the £10 off. Obviously you have to pay for the items if you wanted to keep them, but the £10 styling fee you don't have to pay. So that's down below if you fancy it. It is a referral code, so I also get £10 back, just to make things clear. I'm not trying to not trying to be sly, it's just a thing, isn't it? Everyone likes money off though. Come on then. Let's see what we have. So inside, what's this? The last time I did one of these was September last year, so I haven't had one of these in a while. So I don't know what this new thing is. Ooh. So in here we have a bundle of clothes, as you can see, wrapped in paper, very good, no plastic. I don't know what this is. Interesting. Should we open this first? I feel like Christmas. Stitch Fix. Or maybe it is shoes. Oh, it is shoes. Oh, Super Gra shoes. Interesting. I wasn't expecting shoes. Right, we'll look at those in a minute. Have I got my little, yes, my little leaflet of stuff. So you get a little, oh, I was wrong. It's not, it's give 15, get 15. So so I'll leave my referral code below, and it's £15 off your next fix. Oh, I didn't know, I thought it was £10, so it's 15. I like that all below. I just want to read the thing. So last time I had a Stitch Fix delivery, I didn't realise that the personal stylist actually writes you a little note, so I completely disregarded that. Oops. So here we are, I'll read the note now. Hi Caroline, welcome to Fix 3. I have had 3. The first one I didn't film it because all the clothes were like based on office attire, because I hadn't done my style questionnaire very well. So I sent it all back, did it again, and had some successes last time. I'll link it down below if you happen to be interested. So welcome to Fix 3. I'm Fliss and I've styled today's collection for you. I wanted to pull together a collection of pieces for you with a focus on fun and functionality, and include some seasonal goodies too. I know you're on the hunt for some mum jeans, and sadly I couldn't find any to send to you. I have made sure to update your accounts, however, to say that this is a style you would be keen to see in a future fix. Looking forward to your thoughts on the fix. Best, Fliss. So I did ask for some mom jeans, but obviously, like I said, didn't have any in at the time. So let's get into it. like Christmas Day. Ooh, I'm liking some of the colours. Right, here we go. First of all, ooh, this is interesting. It's like a big, oversized pink jumper. I'll try everything on so you'll be able to see it properly in a minute. A big, oversized jumper from the brand Mauvet. Oh, it's soft too. It's really nice. I like the colour actually. Pastel. Ooh, this is nice. Another long sleeve stripy top there. Striped rainbow. I am a big fan of the rainbow. I like to dress Ellis in rainbow-like things. Triple stripe rainbow sweater. That's nice too. Oh, so far so good with the first look. What's this? Oh, interesting. A shirt dress. That's hard to show on camera, how obviously. Okay, I like the colour. I like the style. I'm just not sure about the arms because it's quite long arms. Obviously good for winter, but we will see. Let's see. Okay, I like the colour. I really like the colour. So we'll see how that looks on because at the minute I'm not sure about the style. It's a bit like it's a bit of a shirt dress, which I'm not sure about. So we'll see. And then we have some jeans, some actual jeans, not mom jeans. Water is life, treat it right. This pair of jeans is made in one of the most sustainable denim facilities in the world. See its journey by scanning this code. Interesting. The Eco Collection. That's interesting. They look okay. They're not necessarily what I'd say mom jeans, but they're definitely not skinny jeans as I'm used to. I don't think they are anyway. Eco-friendly jeans. That's interesting. I do like that. Okay, and then we have the shoes. I'll show them again. We have the Super Gra shoes. They're basically like, I mean, I don't think I've ever really, they're basically like Converse, aren't they? Yeah, I can't believe I've got shoes in a Stitch Fix. I've never had shoes before. How exciting. So before we get into the prices and things like that, let's try them on. Oh, I'm excited. Okay, so we're trying on the stripy top and the jeans first. Here we are. So we have the top. I do really like actually. I think it's very pretty. It's quite me. The only issue, it does ride up a bit, but we can make do with that. The thing also with tops like this though is that when you're in England it's always really cold, so do I need to get like some sort of string vest for underneath it, because I feel like this ain't going to be enough to keep me warm. It's a bit Christmassy, isn't it? But I do really like it. The jeans, if you can see, they fit well. Can't show you on this blasted camera. How do I do it? What can I stand on? Well, the jeans fit. Yeah, they're not too, they fit very well actually. I've done two Stitch Fix boxes in the past and one Lucario box in the past. All of them are the personal stylist. And in of those 3 boxes, I've kept 2 pairs of jeans. So, do I need another pair of jeans? Possibly not. That is my one downfall. Because I did want mom jeans, but they're a different style to all my skinny jeans that I've got already. And I did buy some other jeans recently from Lindex, which I really like. So, and they're very similar to these ones. So, oh, that's a tricky one, that is. I do really like these jeans, but then if they're the same as my other ones, there's no point in having 2 pairs of jeans with the same. I'll have to think about that. It's annoying, because I do really like them. And the fact they're like super eco-friendly, it makes me happier too. Wish I could show you a bit better. You can get the gist. Right, here's the jumper on. Obviously, I probably wouldn't wear it with this underneath. And this is a size 8. It feels very oversized, which I'd usually like, but I'm not sure what's going on. Stand back a bit. It just looks a bit, look a bit square. So I need to go look in the mirror. I'm only using the viewfinder to see it. I feel like it's just a bit no shape to it. It's really soft. Oh no, it's a shame, because on off person it looks really nice, but I feel like on me it just looks like it's swallowing me a bit, and it's my size, so there's no reason to why it should be so. Right, right back. I'm going to put another t-shirt on. Maybe it's something to do with this underneath. Okay, I'm back. It's definitely better without the long sleeve on underneath. I'll just put a regular t-shirt on. So yeah, it's definitely nicer like this. But as someone who has not been gifted in the bosom area, I don't know how flattering it is. You know, just a fun fact. I thought that breastfeeding a child would mean my boobs would be bigger. Even when I stopped breastfeeding, I thought my boobs would be bigger because they just stay bigger. But no, they've gone back to their original size of nothing. So pretty much, I'm like a pancake. I am still wearing breastfeeding bras. That could be an issue, but they're super comfortable. But that's for another day. Yeah, I'm not sure. I don't know if it is really nice. What do you think? What do you think? Should I keep it? So shoes wise, I will try. I'm obviously trying on, but they've been sent to me like this. So obviously the laces are inside, but I feel wrong to get the laces out and like lace them. But obviously I have to, because otherwise they're not going to fit. So I don't have any Converse. My Converse died a death recently, and I was going to buy some more, but I haven't got around to it, and I'm being a bit cheap, so I don't really want to buy new Converse, especially in this weather. I'm like, what's the point? They'll probably like not get worn for, I don't know, 6 months till the sun comes out again. We're in England, it's always cold. So these are interesting. These could be Converse, well, these are basically Converse, aren't they, but a different brand. The sole is really thick and I like that. I've heard of the brand Supergra before, but I've never bought anything from them. What size are they though? So they look quite big. UK 6, it says size 6. They feel quite big though. I guess they do fit. And they do go with everything. Like obviously white shoes go with everything. Blinding white shoes. So I might keep them. I haven't laced them yet, but as they are my size and Converse fit me fine as size 6, I can't really think of any reason why I wouldn't need them. Does that make sense? I need new shoes. That's what I'm trying to get at. So that's interesting. Right, let me try this dress on. The thing I'm least confident with, because I just don't really know what event I'll be wearing that to. Hashtag lockdown. The dress, well, as expected, it's already a no because it's too small. I said I was size 8, as I am for most things, but this is where I get it wrong, because I'm a size 8, but things with long sleeves, I'd probably say a size 10, because this part of my body here, it doesn't fit the traditional size 8 thing, so it's quite tight around like the shoulders and the arms. But anyway, the dress itself is nice. Not sure about it being this long. I don't know, it is nice, but I feel like it's a bit too formal for someone like me who has no need to wear a dress so formal. You know, oh, I can't move my arms properly. So yeah, it's got the collar, which is nice. I'm not sure, it's not really my kind of, it's got pockets, that's good. I feel like it's too, it's not my style. I mean, I know I said I don't have much style, really, but I like the colour. I think the colour is great. And I know that lockdown's not going to last forever. I know there will be a time at some point in the future where I will maybe need to wear more formal clothes, but this isn't very comfortable around my body, my arms, and yeah, I just think it's not, I just can't see myself going, that's what I'm going to wear today. So yeah, I think the dress is unfortunately a no. Okay, shoes wise, I've just tried one on. I'm not sure what's going on here, but for some reason the lace seems really short. So that's it. I can't, how am I meant to tie that up? What's happening there? Am I doing something wrong here? Why is it, am I not meant to have it all the way laced up like that? I don't understand why the laces are so short. What benefit is that to anyone? Am I not supposed, is it not cool to have a bow? Am I supposed to tuck it in? So a slight change of scenery. Sorry, there had to close the curtains behind you because the sunlight came in so bright I couldn't see a thing. So let's do a review of what I thought of the clothes. But let's look at the prices first. So the rainbow jumper, that was £54. That's a lot of money for a top. Wow, that is a lot of money for a top. The burgundy dress, that was £52, which is not too bad, I guess, for a dress. The Super Gras trainers were £55, which I think is quite reasonable for a pair of shoes. The jeans, woo, those jeans, because I think it must be because they're so eco-friendly, but they're £89. I would never spend that much on a pair of jeans, ever. £89 is a lot of money. Ooh, okay, and the Mauvet knit jumper was £49, which is, I think, fairly reasonable for a jumper, I guess. So the total of everything is £299, but if I were to buy everything, you get a 20% discount of £59.80, so the total would be £239.20, and then you take off the £10 from your delivery fee, so it would be £229.20. So that's tricky. I'll leave in the description below of what I'm keeping and what I'm sending back, because I'm not 100% sure right now. But what do you think I should keep and what I should send back? So the only thing I really would like to keep is this, the rainbow jumper. I do really like it. I'm just not sure if it's worth keeping it if I'm not keeping anything else, because it was £54. Not money for just a simple basic top. What's the brand? Sugar Hill. I mean, Sugar Hill Brighton, so it's obviously a small shop. Small business. I do really like it, so I think I'll take some serious thought about this. Also the trainers, I do really like them, but then I'm not sure they fit me properly and I don't understand the laces. I know I could always buy some more lace. A bit more work than I, you know, had planned on doing when it comes to shoes. I don't want to buy laces. I don't understand the laces. What are you supposed to do? Why are they so short? Oh, annoying. The dress is a no, so I'm not keeping all 5 items. And the jeans, let me show you quickly. So these are the jeans I bought from Lindex, which is a sustainable shop online. I think they have a real store as well, but I bought them online. These are my Lindex jeans. As you can see, blue, average. And these are the Liverpool, Los Angeles ones. They're pretty similar, aren't they? So I feel like it would be a bit stupid to keep a pair of jeans just because they're eco-friendly. I do think that is an incredible brand though, the Eco Collection, supporting sustainable style, and that you can like scan the QR code to show the journey they've been on, and I think that's great. So I think maybe if I were to look into them, I might even email the Stitch Fix person and say, do this company do any more for my next fix maybe? If they do anything else other than jeans, because realistically keeping a pair of jeans, which I have another one which is exactly the same, and these ones cost I think about £20, £25. It's a big difference. Help. So yeah, I guess that's it for this week's video. Sorry for no conclusions on what I'm actually keeping and what I'm not. Yeah, I'm keep looking at the clothes going, what do I want to keep, what do I not want to keep? Oh dear. So thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you've enjoyed it. I really do enjoy getting Stitch Fix boxes. It is quite a lot of fun. Not seeing what I'm going to have in a box is something that I think is so fun, although it might help me in the future say what not to send me, but then where's the fun in that? So anyway, if you have liked this video, please do give it a thumbs up. If you do like this type of content, please hit the subscribe button. It's free if you didn't know. And if you fancy it, hit the bell button and then you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. Wouldn't that be swell? So that's it. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.